I got a small turkey at a good price. Now I live alone, so even a small turkey, there's no way I could eat that thing. But I did. I bring it home. I roasted it up, and then I canned a bunch of it. I'm going to chop up the breast meat, and then I'm going to use the rest of the carcass to make my stock. Okay, that's a little over 9 cups, loosely packed, so I gotta need a 1 1/4 inches of head space in each jar, so it might fill up to 10 half-pint jars. I didn't record the making the stock for some reason, but anyway, all I did is I took the rest of the carcass, put it in a pot, and then covered it with salt water, kosher salt, not table salt. Bring it to a boil. Then I let it simmer for about 3 hours. I strained it through a cheesecloth and put it in the fridge overnight. I should have done a video on making this stock, but anyway, skim that in the fridge overnight. I'll skim this fat off. And we'll get this in a pot and start heating it up. Yeah, I'm already stiffening up, which is a good thing. Get the stock heated back up, and then we'll start filling the jars. And while it's heating, I'll put the jars in hot water, get them warmed up. Okay, get these jars out of the hot water. Okay, the instructions say I can add 1 teaspoon per quart of salt. These are half pints, so I'm going to put a 1/4 teaspoon in each one. I'm going to start filling the jars. I'm going to put the meat in first. I need 1 1/2 inches of headspace. I might give it just a little bit more than that with the meat, and then I'll top it up to 1 1/2 inches with the stock. Okay, we'll wipe the rims off. I use vinegar. You could use water. Vinegar tends to cut through any grease better. It's very important to get these clean though. Otherwise they won't seal. Giving me a hard time, doesn't want to come clean. I'm doing one at a time. New lid, rim on. Scoop down the finger tight. Okay, full. Add 8 cups of hot water. According to the manual. And a little bit of vinegar because I got hard water. That way I won't get that scum. Close the lid, make sure it's on vent. Press high. And my cook time is 75 minutes for pints, half pints at the same. Press start. Okay, time's up. So now I put it on. Take the vent off. Put it on pressure, I guess. Okay, it turned itself off. Now all I gotta do is wait for the pressure to release, so I can remove the cans. When this pops down, then the pressure has been released, and I can open the lid. Okay, pressure's been released. So open this carefully, and then I'll just leave them in here for a good 10 minutes. Okay, we should be able to start taking these out now. Shouldn't be too much though. So I ended up with 10 cans of these things. They're pretty good, makes good sandwiches. I got a bonus too. I got 2 pints of extra stock. I could take one of these, add it to one of those, and make myself some turkey soup. There's lots of other stuff you can do with this too, salads or whatever. Give it a try. You get some extra leftover turkey. It's a good thing to do with it. So I hope you like my video and you share it, and I hope you're subscribed to my channel. Till next time, thank you.